Revo Hubless e-bike. The Revo Hubless e-bike is a revolutionary electric bicycle that fuses futuristic design with cutting-edge technology. Its striking hubless wheels aren't just for looks. They showcase bold engineering innovation and minimalistic elegance. Powered by a high-performance electric motor, the Revo offers a smooth, efficient ride, perfect for urban commuting or stylish cruising. Integrated features like fingerprint unlock, GPS tracking, anti-theft systems, and built-in lighting ensure both safety and convenience. Crafted for modern riders who demand both function and flair, the Revo Hubless e-bike isn't just transportation. It's a bold statement of mobility reimagined for the future. Manta 5 Hydrofoiler SL3. The Manta 5 Hydrofoiler SL3 is a groundbreaking watercraft that brings cycling to the open water with unmatched innovation and excitement. Combining the design of a bike with hydrofoil technology, the SL3 allows you to ride smoothly above the water's surface, powered by a lightweight electric motor and your own pedaling. Built with carbon fiber and aircraft-grade aluminum, it's both durable and agile. Whether cruising lakes or exploring coastlines, it delivers a thrilling, eco-friendly ride. With enhanced stability, intuitive controls, and silent operation, the Manta 5 SL3 redefines personal watercraft, turning every ride into an unforgettable aquatic adventure. Blade by Rude Cycles. The Blade by Rude Cycles is a bold fusion of aggressive styling, precision engineering, and urban performance. Crafted for riders who crave attention and demand quality, the Blade features a striking frame design with sharp angles and a low-slung stance that commands the road. Built from high-grade materials, it offers exceptional strength without sacrificing agility. Whether you're cruising city streets or turning heads at a bike meet, the Blade delivers a ride experience that's as smooth as it is thrilling. With every detail reflecting attitude and craftsmanship, the Blade by Rude Cycles isn't just a bike, it's a rolling statement of rebellion and style. The Pony 4 bike is a stylish and compact urban mobility solution designed for modern city living. With its sleek frame, four-wheel stability, and innovative pedal-assisted electric drive, the Pony 4 offers a unique blend of safety, comfort, and performance. Ideal for daily commuting or leisurely rides, it features a spacious seating area, integrated storage, and intuitive controls, making it practical and user-friendly. Its eco-friendly design and eye-catching aesthetic turn every ride into a statement of smart, sustainable transportation. The Pony 4 isn't just a bike, it's a new way to experience the city with freedom, balance, and flair. Manta 5 Hydrofoiler X1. The Manta 5 Hydrofoiler XE1 is the world's first hydrofoil e-bike, bringing the thrill of cycling to open water. Engineered with cutting-edge technology, this revolutionary watercraft combines lightweight carbon fiber foils with a powerful electric motor, allowing riders to glide effortlessly above the water's surface. Its intuitive design mimics the feeling of riding a bike while offering the excitement of hydrofoiling. Silent, eco-friendly, and incredibly agile, the XE1 is perfect for lakes, rivers, and coastal adventures. Whether for fitness or fun, the Manta 5 XE1 redefines water sports, offering an unmatched experience of freedom, innovation, and adrenaline. Hydrobikes offer a unique and exhilarating way to experience the water, combining the familiarity of cycling with the thrill of aquatic adventure. Designed for stability, safety, and ease of use, these water bikes allow riders to pedal effortlessly across lakes, rivers, and calm seas. With durable floating pontoons and lightweight frames, hydrobikes are perfect for fitness, leisure, or eco-friendly exploration. They require no fuel, make no noise, and leave no environmental footprint, just pure fun powered by you. Whether for solo relaxation or group outings, hydrobikes deliver a refreshing, healthy, and unforgettable ride on the water. Minson Skate Bike. The Minson skate bike is a bold fusion of skateboard agility and bicycle control, offering a thrilling new way to ride. Compact and ultra-lightweight, this innovative hybrid design allows riders to carve, glide, and maneuver with unmatched freedom. Built for urban explorers and extreme sports enthusiasts, the Minson skate bike features a minimalist frame, responsive handling, and a unique riding posture that delivers both fun and performance. Whether you're cruising city streets or testing your balance at the skate park, the skate bike turns every ride into an exciting adventure. It's not just transportation, it's a whole new riding experience. Razor DXT. The Razor DXT drift trike is built for adrenaline junkies and thrill seekers who crave high-speed action and tight-corner drifts. With its sturdy steel frame, moto-style handlebars, and extra-wide rear slick tires, the DXT is designed for controlled slides and precision handling. Whether you're racing downhill or performing epic drifts on flat terrain, this trike delivers heart-pounding excitement with every turn. The front pneumatic tire ensures smooth control, while the low-profile design keeps you grounded during intense maneuvers. More than just a ride, the Razor DXT drift trike is your ticket to mastering the art of sideways speed and extreme fun. Furo Aventa. The Furo Aventa is a sleek and powerful electric bike designed for the modern urban commuter. Crafted with a lightweight aluminum frame and minimalist aesthetic, it combines elegance with performance. Powered by a high-torque motor and a discreetly integrated battery, the Aventa delivers smooth acceleration and effortless hill climbing. Its advanced LCD display, hydraulic disc brakes, and puncture-resistant tires ensure a safe and intuitive riding experience. Whether navigating busy city streets or enjoying weekend rides, the Furo Aventa offers the perfect balance of efficiency, comfort, and style. It's more than an e-bike. It's your smart, sustainable mobility solution. New bike. The new bike is a revolutionary reimagining of bicycle mechanics, replacing the traditional chain and gear system with an innovative lever drive technology. Crafted from lightweight carbon fiber, new bike offers a smoother, more efficient pedaling experience while maximizing power transfer and reducing maintenance. Its futuristic design not only turns heads, but also enhances performance with less effort and strain on the rider's body. Ideal for both urban commuters and cycling enthusiasts, new bike combines cutting-edge engineering with ergonomic comfort. This is not just a bike, it's a bold leap forward in cycling innovation, redefining how we move, ride, and experience the road. E-bike bicicletto. The e-bike bicicletto is a stunning fusion of vintage aesthetics and cutting-edge electric technology, handcrafted to deliver a ride that's as stylish as it is powerful. With its retro-inspired frame, leather accents, and modern carbon fiber structure, the bicicletto turns heads while offering top-tier performance. Powered by a high-efficiency electric motor, it delivers smooth acceleration and a long-lasting battery range, ideal for both urban cruising and countryside exploration. Hidden wiring and integrated lights maintain its sleek, minimalist look. The bicicletto isn't just an e-bike. It's a statement of elegance, innovation, and Italian craftsmanship in motion. The square-wheeled tricycle is a mind-bending blend of visual illusion, engineering genius, and playful innovation. Defying traditional design, this tricycle features square wheels that glide smoothly over specially designed, catenary-shaped surfaces, proving that even the most unconventional ideas can roll with style. Often used in exhibitions, science museums, and viral demonstrations, it captivates with its quirky appearance and flawless functionality. Beyond its entertainment value, the square-wheeled tricycle challenges perceptions of motion and mechanics, turning heads and sparking curiosity wherever it goes. It's not just a ride. It's a rolling showcase of creative thinking and engineering brilliance. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel.